Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to run Selenium tests in Docker. First, ensure Docker Desktop is installed on your system. Next, pull the necessary Selenium Docker images for your chosen browsers, like Chrome or Firefox. Then, create a dedicated Docker network to allow your test scripts and browser containers to communicate seamlessly. This setup provides a consistent and isolated environment for your tests. Now let's craft your Docker Compose file. Define services for the Selenium hub and individual browser nodes, such as Chrome and Firefox. It's crucial to map the correct ports and set environment variables, like C event bus host, to ensure proper communication. Also, specify service dependencies so the hub starts before the nodes. This file orchestrates your entire Selenium grid with just one command. With your Docker Compose file ready, running your tests is straightforward. Simply use the Docker Compose up command to launch your Selenium grid. Next, update your test scripts to point to the Selenium hub's address within the Docker network, typically http://seleniumhub 4444/wd/hub. Finally, execute your tests as usual. They will now run inside the Docker containers, providing consistent and reproducible results. To further enhance your Dockerized Selenium tests, consider integrating robust test reporting tools. These provide clear insights into test failures and performance. Also, implement parallel test execution across multiple browser nodes to significantly reduce your overall test run time. This optimization is key for large test suites. Before you go, remember to check the description for links to some great deals, including that awesome car air freshener. Happy testing!
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.